How you doing today, folks? Today I'm gonna show you a tutorial of a Kahoot lesson review for a chapter test that I do with the kids for 5 bonus points on the chapter test for the top 5 kids that place in the test. We have a couple different ways that you could do it on Kahoot for different types of games. There's a Jeopardy style that you could do with the class as well, but over COVID we've had to do it obviously with Schoology Conference. So this is the manner that we've had to kind of come up with. So you're going to open Kahoot. And then I've used Kahoot plenty of times, so typically when I log in, it just, enters me right in. Sometimes you'd have to obviously hit in your password. Now, what I use for my Sure lesson was the Chapter 16 review, which is on cardiovascular and respiratory system. And then what I would do next is play, and then from our end, we would obviously hit assign for the students. I tested it out just a little bit ago, so that's why it says that they were there. I usually randomize the answers just in case some kids were to look over somebody's shoulder. I leave a timer, and the way we do it is also the faster the students are able to answer, the higher their score will be. So then it becomes sort of like a Jeopardy game, but as well as like speed becomes the place as well. So you copy and paste here, and then I would post it into our Schoology. But for the students' end, what it's going to look like is they would copy and paste here, or just click on the link. And this is what their test would look like coming up. And we'll show you an answer real quick. I always have the kids do another thing is just make sure you enter with your full first and last name. Because some of the students could put like questionable stuff sometimes if they have nicknames. So then it comes up over here. The question comes up. And again, it's randomized, so it's all over, so it won't always be the same. And then you'll see, too, I'll just show you real quickly, where you get more points for the faster you answer. So I'm going to answer a little bit slower here. And you'll see it's a lower score than the last one. All right, and that's administering a Kahoot test as well as being a student and participating in it.